Alright, so as you can see, no, nakita nyo kung gaano kaganda itong model unit natin. By the way, this is Vion Tower and Vion West model units located here in Paseo Center, Makati. So to those clients who wanted to personally visit our showroom just to have an experience or at least visualize nila kung paano nila i-design yung mga dream Airbnb units nila, you can visit our Vion Tower and Vion West model units here in Paseo Center. This is located in this address, Valero Corner, Sedeño Street, Salcedo Village, Makati City. And I will be here anytime na gusto nyo ng assistant to view these model units. And syempre, hindi ko na patatagalin pa. The reason why I made this vlog because kung napanood nyo yung recent update ko regarding the 7.5% down payment dun sa una kong vlog, well, sa mga clients natin, OFW and local clients, be excited because right now, MegaWorld released the lowest cash out or lowest rent-to-own down payment in Vion Tower. And this is for as low as 3.5% down payment, you can already move in. Yes, you heard it right. As you can see, dito sa model unit na to, you can own this kind of unit or you can start a unit in Vion Tower and Vion West Makati with only 3.5% down payment or 259,000. Yes po, 259,000 na lang po for you to move in this kind of nice unit and your dream condo na inaasam nyo. And syempre, you can actually use it for Airbnb, short-term or long-term lease, or even personal use if you work here in Makati. Ang ganda lang kasi sobrang baba na considering it's a MegaWorld brand and it's one of our premium development here in Makati. So later, I'm gonna show you why Vion Tower is one of the primest location among others when it comes to mobility and when it comes to accessibility. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung sample computation here, nitong Vion West and Vion Tower. And then after that down payment of 259,000, we will give you 4 years to pay at 0% interest for as low as 23,000 per month with annual lump sum. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ko sa una kong vlog na may 7.5% cash out to move in. Imagine, ibinaba na namin siya to the lowest 3.5% cash out, makakapag-start ka na ng Airbnb business mo. And yet, yung promo kasi na to is until January 31 lang. Yes, until January 31, 2026 lang siya. Pero moving forward, maybe we have another promo, pero stay tuned. Maybe it's 5% or go back to 7.5. It's, right now, ang importante, meron kaming promo ngayon for as low as 3.5%. Kagaya nga na nabanggit ko sa una kong vlog, for you to start your Airbnb business, ang laki kasi ng ika-cash out mo talaga with the other projects or other developments na either i-bank finance mo muna yan or either i-in-house finance mo muna yan bago mo makuha ang susi or makamove in ka. But here, imagine the 259,000 na kaya mong kitain or kaya mong mabawi within less than a year. I can say na talagang babawi tayo because yung ika-cash out natin na 259,000, kahit isama nyo pa yung pang-furniture nyo, kayang-kaya pong mabawi within 1 year based on the Airbnb analytics, na may occupancy rate of 60%. So, if you watch my first vlog, diniscuss ko po doon yung magiging kitaan natin when it comes to Airbnb business. And then, the good thing, etong promo natin ngayon, kung may mga clients maybe nagtatanong, Sir Freddy, paano ba yung requirements? Or Sir Freddy, ano ba yung mga proseso for us to move in our dream Airbnb? Well, I will give you my contact number below, pero if you really want to know it, I'll give you the list ng mga move-in requirements. First requirements for move-in clearance or yung MIC requirements for MegaWorld. Of course, after nating i-reserve yung unit for 50,000, the first requirement is, of course, the 3.5% down payment. So this down payment, you can pay it in cash, online transfer, or bank deposit, And then after nyan, you need to submit 48 post-dated checks or 40 post-dated checks. This post-dated check will be your monthly amortization and annual lump sum. So bakit ba need ng post-dated check? Actually, to those clients abroad or sa mga local clients, required mag-submit ng post-dated check for you na maging convenient when it comes to payment. So dito, ifa-fund mo lang yung checking account mo and depende sa monthly amortization or lump sum mo, no? And then MegaWorld will automatically clear kung ano yung due mo every month. So in this case, you just deposit or make parang fund. Maybe you can put 1 to 3 months advance fund, no? So kung very busy person ka, laging may fund or automatically i-clear na lang namin siya. For the number 3, stay tuned because daling ko naman kayo sa mga bedrooms. Okay, for the third requirement, as you can see, we have the outright taxes and fees. So as a buyer, no, of course, part ng responsibility ng mga buyer to pay taxes and fees. But this one, outright taxes, meaning ito lang yung mga immediate na kailangan upon move-in doon sa unit natin, which includes the Meralco meter deposit. Of course, hindi naman tayo makaka-move in without our own Meralco meter. No? Number 2 is the MRI or Mortgage Redemption Insurance for security or insurance purposes. Secured yung unit natin. Number 3 is the 3 months advance association dues. Association dues is part of our maintenance or part of our contribution for the administrative or yung mga kailangan gawin for the maintenance of the building. And the last one is the real estate tax. So this is approximately nasa 30 to 40,000 lang. Again, maybe you ask me, Sir Freddy, akala ko ba 3.5% lang to move in? Yes, 3.5% lang naman talaga to move in. But then, ito kasi yung mga contribution natin with the government and of course, yung Meralco meter and yung insurance natin para sa self natin. This is only, no, yung sum of here, one-time payment lang, like itong Meralco meter, and like itong sa mga real estate tax. So, once a year siya. So, but then, no, eto na yung more on monetary side na ika-cash out natin. The rest po is all documentation na. Stay tuned for the number 4 requirements. Okay, so for the number 4 requirement is issuance of post-dated check for the taxes and fees. So, eto na yon yung main taxes and fees natin for processing of our title, which are the transfer tax, documentary stamp tax, processing fee, miscellaneous fee, and many others. And don't worry po, this will be dated on the 40th month. No, after for more or less 4 years pa siya, together with the turnover balance. So, yung turnover balance, naka-check lang siya, but then, pupull out naman natin siya kung gusto natin siyang ibang finance, kung gusto natin siyang i-in-house finance. Okay? So, yun lang naman. The rest is the contract to buy and sell or a notarized contract to buy and sell. So, after the reservation, ipapa-process na natin siya for signing, no, and notarization. And letter to admin pro forma, these are more on the side of MegaWorld to be provided by us for your signature and valid ID. So, yan lang naman yung 6 na yan, no? From the 3.5% down payment to submission of complete post-dated check, no? Outright taxes and the taxes and turnover balance on the PDC, and then the signing of contract to buy and sell for notarization or notarized contract to buy and sell, valid ID, letter to admin and pro forma. Once ito makomplete natin, we will process your move-in clearance within 15 working days. Yes po, no? As long as, syempre, ready na yung unit natin, na-inspect na natin siya, we will process or you can get your susi na for your move-in officially. And you can start furnishing it right away for Airbnb. So that's it. Sounds good, di ba? Grabe. As you can see, no, I hope na-explain ko sa inyo kung gaano kadali ang move-in clearance requirements. And speaking of this, no, upon furnishing of your unit, syempre, this is the most exciting part. Kasi ito na yung time na iisip ka na, paano kaya i-decor or ano kaya mga magagandang furniture? Well, with that, no, we will recommend you some of the best furnishing companies or mga shops, especially in IKEA, where to buy a condominium furnitures. Syempre, no? And of course, yung mga pegs natin, ang dami naman dyan sa YouTube. But then again, no, imagine you can start having this kind of property na ma-enjoy mo with your family and of course, pagkakakitaan mo with your own passive income. And sa mga OFWs po na nasa abroad with only 259,000 cash out, 23,000 monthly with annual lump sum, and of course, yung outright taxes na nabanggit ko kanina, that's it lang po, no? And etong mga to, magra-run na yung business natin and pwedeng-pwede natin siyang mabawi within a year. Why? Because yun nga, based dun sa unang vlog ko, no, actually here in Makati City, malakas talaga ang Airbnb. With this very prime location of Vion Tower, I can say na this is one of the best for Airbnb property. And this year, I think it's best time for you na umpisahan because property appreciate over time, and overall, ang ganda ng payment terms ni Vion Tower. Brand new, the newest, and the most transit-oriented condo here in Makati City. So, if meron kang extra money or meron kang fund na nasa bank lang and you want to put it into something na can appreciate over time, at the same time, kaya mong mabawi at ibalik ulit sa bank mo, nagka-property ka pa. So, ang galing lang kasi yung in the span of 4 years, no, if i-multiply natin yung kayang kitain nito a month, let's say, an Airbnb with 2.5 a night can earn 50,000, no? Per month. In a year, you can earn 600,000. In 4 years, you can earn as much as 2.4 million pesos. Grabe naman sa kinash out mo na 259,000 plus the outright taxes. No? It can already pay your monthly amortization, even self-liquidate it to pay your monthly amortization na 23,000, and even the lump sum can pay itself. Actually, eto na yung sinasabi natin na self-liquidating property na talaga siya. Diretso. No? Ang ganda lang. So, I hope nakapagbigay ako ng insight sa inyo for real estate advices. And of course, no, again, my name is Freddy Del Rosario. I've been here in Mega World for 11th year na this coming April. And always remind you, no matter how life takes you, home will always be the Philippines. Good night and see you again in my next vlog.